Hello everyone, let us provide a solution to this interesting geometry puzzle. We're asked to find the value of x in this given diagram. You can see that this is a right angle triangle, right, with an inscribed cycle of radius 60 units. The hypotenuse of the right triangle is x, and that's exactly what we are looking for, and the other side is 20 units. So what can you remember about Pythagoras theorem? It stated that the hypotenuse squared, right, that is x squared, is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. So we have this side already, which is 20. You square that plus this other side. Oh, but we don't know what this side is. But no problem, we can get it. Remember that this is a radius, right? Then you should expect this to be a radius of 6 units, and opposite sides are equal, which implies that this side is 6. Then we need to find the length of this other side. How can we do that? All right. Remember, if this is radius, this must be equivalent to the radius because opposite sides are equal. So we can clearly see that this side is 6. If it is 6, the remaining side will be 14 because the total length here is 20, right? So we have 6 here and 14 here, making 20. And this is a tangent line. This is the point of tangency. This is another tangent line. This is the point of tangency. Remember, from the point where two tangents meet to the point of tangency is equidistant. Therefore, this is also 14, right? That is from this point to this point is also 14, because from this point to this point is 14 as well. So if it is 14, then the remaining length here will be x minus 14, right? So this side from here is going to be x minus 14, which is going to be equivalent to this one, right? Because you can see this is a point where these two tangents meet. And from the point of tangency to the point where they meet will be equidistant. Therefore, this is also x minus 14. So what is the total length here? If you add 6 and x minus 14, you're going to get x minus 8, because 6 minus 14 is negative 8. Together with x, you have everything here to be. Let me shift this one down a little bit. You can clearly see that everything here is x minus 8. So we added here and squared. We have x minus 8 squared. All right, so let's continue. The left hand side we still have x squared. The right hand side we have 20 squared is 400 plus, this is a binomial expansion. You take the first term, you square that, you minus 2 times x times 8 is 16x, then plus 8 squared is 64. All right, this is the expansion. The left hand side we have x squared, the right hand side we have x squared. They will cancel. So I would like to take this one to the left, which is from negative 16x to positive 16x. And the right hand side we have 464, that is 464. We divide both sides by 16. We have x equals 464 divided by 16, which is exactly equals 29. Wow, interesting. Therefore, the value of x is 29. If you like, you can write units. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. Bye-bye.